The B-1B Lancer has been a pivotal element in the United States Air Force's bomber fleet since it entered service in the mid-1980s, originally designed during the Cold War as a supersonic, low-observable bomber capable of penetrating deep into Soviet airspace. It was conceived to deliver nuclear payloads with speed and precision. Over time, as geopolitical realities shifted and arms control treaties altered the nuclear landscape, the B-1B's mission transitioned to focus primarily on conventional warfare. Despite this shift, the aircraft's speed, range, and payload capacity have kept it relevant, and continuous modernization programs have sought to maintain its effectiveness amid evolving threats. The current push to equip the B-1B with external load-adaptable modular (LAMP) pylons represents one of the most significant upgrades in recent years. These pylons reactivate and modernize 6 external weapon stations that were deactivated following the Cold War due to arms limitation agreements. Reactivating these stations is not a mere restoration. It is a deliberate modernization to significantly expand the Lancer's weapon-carrying capacity, flexibility, and mission effectiveness. By installing these pylons, the B-1B can carry up to 12 additional weapons externally, nearly a 50% increase over its internal weapons capacity of 24. This expansion allows the bomber to carry a much wider variety of munitions simultaneously, ranging from traditional guided bombs and cruise missiles to the newest generation of hypersonic missiles. These missiles are designed to travel at speeds exceeding Mach 5, drastically reducing enemy reaction times and increasing the difficulty of interception by enemy air defenses. Hypersonic weapons represent a transformative advancement in military technology. Unlike traditional ballistic or cruise missiles, hypersonic weapons combine extreme speed with maneuverability, making them exceptionally challenging to detect, track, and counter. For the U.S. military, deploying hypersonic weapons aboard a platform like the B-1B Lancer serves multiple strategic purposes. It enhances the bomber's ability to strike high-value, time-sensitive targets quickly and accurately, it increases the complexity adversaries face in defending against U.S. air strikes, and it helps maintain the technological edge that underpins U.S. military deterrence. The decision to shift hypersonic weapon testing and deployment from the B-52 to the B-1B is driven by operational considerations. The B-52 Stratofortress, while still an essential component of the bomber fleet, is undergoing a series of modernization efforts that limit its availability for hypersonic testing and deployment. The B-1B, with its faster speed and improved agility, offers a suitable alternative testbed and operational platform for these advanced weapons. This transfer also ensures that hypersonic weapon development progresses without disrupting ongoing B-52 upgrades, maintaining momentum across the entire strategic bomber force. From a technical standpoint, the integration of LAMP pylons in hypersonic weapons involves complex engineering challenges. The pylons must withstand the physical stresses of high-speed flight, weapon deployment, and environmental conditions at various altitudes and speeds. They must be compatible with existing aircraft systems and weapon control interfaces, ensuring that pilots can seamlessly select and launch weapons without compromising safety or mission effectiveness. Boeing, as the prime contractor, leverages its extensive experience with bomber systems to manage these complexities, overseeing design, testing, and eventual fleet-wide integration. The U.S. Department of Defense has demonstrated strong support for this modernization initiative, allocating substantial funding in recent fiscal years. This funding covers the development, testing, certification, and initial production of the pylons, as well as integration of hypersonic weapon systems. Such financial commitment underscores the importance placed on extending the B-1B's operational life and enhancing its capabilities amid growing global competition. Strategically, the enhanced B-1B fills a critical role in the U.S. Air Force's long-range strike capabilities. While the B-21 Raider stealth bomber is slated to become the premier long-range bomber in the future, its development and testing phases mean it will not be fully operational for several more years. The B-1B's upgraded capabilities ensure that the U.S. maintains a potent and flexible bomber force in the interim. This is particularly important given the increased military capabilities of potential adversaries, who have invested heavily in advanced air defenses and missile technologies designed to challenge traditional strike platforms. In practical operational terms, the expanded payload allows the B-1B to conduct multi-mission roles effectively. It can deliver overwhelming firepower in a single sortie, striking multiple targets or saturating enemy defenses with a combination of conventional bombs, cruise missiles, and hypersonic weapons. The bomber's speed and extended range enable rapid deployment to theaters worldwide, while the increased weapon capacity allows it to tailor its loadout to specific mission requirements. The modernization also strengthens deterrence. Adversaries must factor in the possibility that the U.S. can deploy high-speed, hard-to-intercept missiles from a highly mobile bomber platform anywhere on the globe. This capability complicates their defense planning and increases the costs and risks of aggressive actions against U.S. interests or allies. Beyond the weapon load, the B-1B continues to receive upgrades to its avionics, defensive systems, and communications infrastructure. These improvements enhance its survivability in contested airspace, allowing it to evade or counter sophisticated radar and missile threats. The combination of electronic warfare suites, advanced sensors, and expanded payload options makes the B-1B a versatile and resilient asset in any conflict scenario. Looking ahead, the modernization program positions the B-1B to serve well into the 2030s, and potentially beyond. By integrating advanced weapons and technologies, the Air Force maximizes the value of an existing platform rather than rushing to retire it prematurely. This approach offers cost savings and operational continuity, while providing the time necessary to fully develop and deploy the next generation of bombers. The B-1B Lancer's integration of load-adaptable modular pylons and hypersonic weapons is a major step forward in modernizing U.S. long-range strike capabilities. It revitalizes a proven aircraft, significantly increases its weapon capacity and flexibility, and ensures the bomber remains a potent strategic asset amid evolving global threats. This program exemplifies how the U.S. military leverages innovation to maintain its edge, adapting legacy systems to meet the demands of modern warfare while preparing for future challenges.